No, genuinely, I think every school does something different. I know for Western Reserve Academy, we have a traditional deadline of March and then a notification in April. But then after that April date, as space allows, we are on a rolling basis. So what that means for us is that once you apply, we typically are able to meet as an admission committee twice a month and get you a response, hopefully within a week or 2 weeks of your application being completed. For some schools, it might mean that you have an initial deadline every month, and every month they're kind of sending out notifications as needed. So some rolling admissions work that way, where it's you have a deadline in November and December, and for each of those, the subsequent months are when you'll receive a notification. So it really just depends. Every school does operates in different ways, but always with best practices in mind for their institution.